Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now that we have reached the pinnacle of the conference, the grand valedictory, let me steal a few moments and thank all the participants for making this event a grand success. The 3-day knowledge sharing had really been like a feast for the brain. Listening to the diversified technology and its scope of research has been enlightening. On behalf of our whole team, I once again thank all the participants. Now, without any further delay, let me invite the convener of the program, Dr. P. Kiran Sri, to speak a few words about the conference.
So, good afternoon, everyone. And it's my privilege to read the conference completion report. You are aware that the International Conference of Recent Advances in Deep Learning was organized from 29th of this month to 31st of this month. And we have organized the conference into various aspects, like we have 7 keynotes that are happened. The first day, 2 keynotes were delivered. The second day also we have 2 keynotes that are delivered. And today we have witnessed 3 keynotes. And 18 session chairs has participated in all the tracks, and all the 3 tracks has operated for the last 3 days. The first track will be on applications and advancements in deep learning. The second track will be on cyber security and various aspects of cloud computing. The third track will fall into communications and big data analytics part. And I'm very happy most of the others who have papers are accepted. Like we have witnessed almost 1 or 2 different presentations for the last 3 days. The first day was started with a keynote address by Dr. Gabriella Castellano from University of Bari, Italy, where she has emphasized on learning analytics, and she has connected this analytics with artificial intelligence and deep learning. And the next keynote was happened in the first day from Dr. Deepali Vora, where she is handling almost 96 lakh projects of DST, where she has explained how does the transformation of machine learning into deep learning and various aspects of deep learning, and where exactly we can use deep learning and where not this deep learning. On the second day, keynote speaker was from Mexico, Sanju Tiwari, who was earlier part of DRDO. Now she was a part of a famous university of Mexico, where she spoke about knowledge graphs and connection of these knowledge graphs with Astra and so on and so forth. How far this knowledge graphs will help us in missile and other design. On the fourth keynote was from Dr. Suman Tripathi, where she spoke about how this VLSI design will help majority of your bioinformatics and biomedical applications. And today we have witnessed 3 keynotes, one from Dr. Vijayalakshmi, who is from a famous university at USA. She spoke about how do you connect this big data and data analytics and deep learning. And the second keynote for today was from Dr. Sujata, who is a part of VIT, and she was handling a project on deep learning for DST for almost 76 lakhs, where she spoke about of various applications of artificial intelligence in health informatics. And the last keynote was from Dr. Smita, who was part of a prominent institute at Nagpur. She spoke about various applications of health informatics by using a deep learning and what will happen if you augment 2 deep learning mechanisms and what type of output you'll get, something like that. So I'm very happy that in the first day of the conference, 27 papers are presented. The second day, we have seen 33 of papers were presented. The last day, today, 42 papers are presented in all the 3 tracks. In total, 1 or 2 papers out of 108 were presented, and I'm very happy that all the others who has taken see the call for papers was released only 1.5 month earlier. That's what we have released the CFP on 27th of December, and we have received almost a overwhelming response from all the people. And we have gone through each paper, and the peer review was done by the faculty members from Anna University and Andhra University. And I'm very happy and I take a privilege to see best part presentations for the last 3 days. I have a part of most of the important presentations. And I thank all the others for sending the papers and presenting the papers in the conference. And I'm very happy about all the session chairs, like 18 session chairs were participated in this particular conference in giving suggestions to the participants as well as in judging the paper quality and so on and so forth. And I have to thank all the keynote speakers from Italy, from Mexico, and from USA and various parts of our country also for their valuable insights about what type of outcome that this international conference will get. Like I felt the outcome of the international conference was served by the end of all these 3 days. As we said earlier, like all the papers that are presented in the conference will be published in the proceedings of the conference, as well as it will be all these papers will be published as special edition of IJRT after almost most probably by the end of February. You will see that your papers will be published in the journal. And before concluding the report, I would also like you to share that we are also organizing, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering is organizing an Atal Faculty Development Program on recent advances in artificial intelligence and robotics from 23rd of February to 27th of February. And we have almost 8 experts from IITs and 4 experts from NITs and 4 experts from foreign universities who are going to deliver their talk on this FDP program. And make sure, like I request all of you to participate also in that faculty development program that will be organized from 23rd of the next month to 27th of this FDP, which was sponsored by AICT. And I also wish to announce that there is another conference that will happen in June, which was sponsored by AICT, and where the conference dates are not finalized, but it will be a 3-day conference that will happen in June 2021. Please send your valuable papers to that conference also. And finally, I have to thank the chairman, vice chairman, and the secretary, principal and vice principal for enabling us to conduct this event in the department. In particularly, I feel I have seen the chat messages that were there in the official chat group, WhatsApp group, and I felt very happy about the feedback that we are getting from the participants in the terms of the amount of effort that was kept by the coordinators in particularly. I wholeheartedly thank all the faculty members of computer science engineering, where all these 30 odd faculty members has done a great job for making this conference a grand success. This is from me. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you, sir. Once again, I request Dr. P. Kiran Sri, convener of the program, to announce the best papers.
So I just write, see, for judging the best papers, so for see, see, for judging the best papers, we have used the same nomenclature that was followed by IEEE. Like we kept a cutoff mark for all the tracks. Based on that value only, we have adjourned as some of the papers are outstanding or something like that, because we have done the same thing for the last 5 years. Like there is no particular rule like I need to have 8 papers or 6 papers or 10 papers. There is no that type of agenda for announcing the best papers. The only criteria that we have followed is the IEEE criteria. Like we have a cutoff. Based on the cutoff, whatever papers which were above that cutoff will be adjourned as these best papers. And I'm very happy to announce 2 best papers that were given. I take privilege in announcing the best paper, one of the best paper of the conference, titled "Flexible Circular Shaped Dipole Antenna on Paper Substract" from Dr. Raval. He is from, just a minute, he is from Chendubai Patel Institute of Technology. Congratulations, sir. And it's my privilege to announce the next paper also. The title of the paper is Analysis of Mobile App Coverage Popularity with ML Algorithms. The author of that paper was Dr. Jigna. She is from Jnanapath University. Congrats, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for appreciation.
Thank you very much. Madhavi, madam, please proceed further.
Thank you, sir. Next, I request Dr. V. Purushottam Rajgaru to announce the best paper.
Best paper one is Science Space Support Mission. The authors are Mr. Ravi Kumar, Dr. Keshari, and Dr. M.C. Krishna from Century University and Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology. And the second best paper is Efficient Comprehensive Framework for Cloud Services Based Biometric Authentication. The authors are Dr. C.H. Prasad, Dr. K.G. Gupta, and A. Sridevi from Sri Hindu Engineering College, Telangana. Congratulations to both the authors.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for greatest opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. VVR Maheshwar Rao Garu to announce the best papers.
I am very happy and delighted to announce two of the best papers. The first one, implementation of safety surveillance system with face recognition using IoT. Kakarla Deepthi from Vasavi Engineering College. The second paper, concealment of data with MSP using modified secure hash algorithm. Two others are there, P. Srivijaya and K. Dana Sekaran. Both are from different colleges, Sri Manakula Vinayanagar Engineering College and Mailam Engineering College. Congratulations to all the three others.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. D. Dhanmaya sir to announce the best paper.
Hello. Hello. Can you audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. And good evening all. I think from my side, kyphosis disease prediction using deep neural networks by Dr. Alok Singh Chauhan. He is from Integrated Academy of Management and Technology, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. Congratulations, Dr. Alok Singh.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. And another second paper, best paper, a method of cardiovascular disease prediction using machine learning. Geeta Devi, Surya Prasad Rao Bora, K. Vidyasagar. These are from PVP Siddhartha Institute of Technology, VNR Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
A. Geeta Devi, Surya Prakash Rao Bora, and K. Vidyasagar.
Yeah, Surya Prasad, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. You both are done excellent work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. K. Ramchandra Rao sir to announce the best papers.
Yeah, I'm happy to announce the best papers from my side. So we have two best papers. One was a new hybrid genetic search algorithm and Murray-based optimization algorithm for skin lice and cancer classification by Dr. S.M. Uma and Dr. P. Shivakumar of King's College of Engineering. The second one was prediction of various crops in agriculture field using decision tree and Naive algorithm in a machine by Miss B. Ganga Bhavani, Mr. G. L. N. V. S. Kumar, Moram Lakshmi Rekha, and Mr. K. N. V. P. S. Brahma Ramesh of PVC Engineering College, Already. We want to we also thank and congratulate the presenters here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Y. Ramu to announce the best papers.
Good afternoon, everyone. So here I am announcing two papers from King's College of Engineering. Both the papers are from the same institution. The first paper is by S. Bhuvaneswari and J. Chandrapriya, and the title of the paper is Detection of Gas Leakage in Polymer Industry Using IoT. Congratulations to both of you on behalf of the conference organizing team. And the second paper is by G. Chandraprabha, K. Abhirami, and R. Sugantalakshmi, and the title of the paper is Prediction and Analysis of Key Performance Indicators for Students Using Data Science. On behalf of the entire conference organizing team, we congratulate all the others who got the best papers.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. A. Seenu to announce the best papers.
Good afternoon, everyone. So it's my privilege to announce two best papers. The first one is Automatic Translate Real-Time Voice to Sign Language Conversion for Deaf and Dumb People. The others are Professor Abhishek Mehta, Dr. Kamini Solanki, Professor Trupti Rathod. So they are from Sabarmati University, Parul University, Gujarat Technology University. And the second paper is a review on privacy preservation techniques in surveillance and healthcare data publication. And the others are Dr. Pawan Kumar Wadarevu, Dr. Sri Krishna Adusumelli, Dr. Sangram Keshari Swain, Dr. Vamsi Krishna Mangalpalli. So these authors are from Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Centurion University of Technology and Management, Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology. So congrats, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mrs. P.R. Sudharani to announce the best papers.
Good afternoon, everyone. I thank the convener, Dr. P. Kiran Sri, for giving me this opportunity of doing the honors announcing two of the best papers. The first paper is experimental study of descriptive and inferential analytics approaches to real estate buyers using R tools. Congratulations, Samir Jain, National Institute of Construction Management in India. And the second paper is prediction of atmospheric particulate material China using machine learning approaches. Congratulations, Dr. P.S. Brahmanandam Garu, Vishnu Engineering College for. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudha ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to offer vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of our team,
Madam Madhavi Garu, before that, if some participants wish to have some discussion or have feedback, we can just
okay,
proceed.
sir. Okay, sir.
Please.
Madam, I think Falguni Rawal has raised their hand.
Sir, can I give my feedback?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to thank the college for organizing such a wonderful workshop, wonderful conference during the COVID, and that is also in online mode. The keynote. I have attended first keynote speech, and which was very good. I find lots of information regarding machine learning. As well as I want to thank conference chair, person who session chair, who has given me wonderful suggestion that how can I apply machine learning and deep learning in my antenna design. And I would also like to thank coordinators for smooth operation of the conference and presentation on time, and according to the time, everything managed very well mannered and in timely fashion. So I congratulate the conference for successful organizing the conference. Thank you.
Hello, this side Dr. Alok Singh Chauhan. First of all, I would like to thank all the organizers and coordinators committee for organizing and conducting such wonderful conference in a well smooth manner. It was a wonderful theme with rich knowledge keynote speaker with affluent information shared. It was a great learning experience. Thank you for the opportunity this conference afforded us both to present and to attend some great presentations of other. And it was a very wonderful conference with our latest research topic area and good knowledge sharing among all the researchers and faculty staffs. So I would like to thank again for conducting such wonderful event, and I would also like to see you again in with some next latest research topics. So thank you again for a great experience. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you. I am B. Surya Prasad Rao from Prasad V. Potluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology, Vijayawada. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my views as well as to listen some of the lectures as well as some of the presentations also. Today I have attended for the morning keynote address that is given by Dr. Sujata from VIT and Dr. Smita from Nagpur. They have given wonderful elaboration regarding the applications of AI in health informatics especially. And also I thank my co-authors Dr. Geeta Devi and Dr. K. Vidyasagar for their support in implementing the work as well as for preparation of this paper and as well as presentation. And also I thank the judges for giving the wonderful suggestions as well as selecting my presentation or my paper as one of the best papers. It gives me very good encouragement to participate in several conferences in the future also. Once again, I thank the coordinators and the organizers of this program. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to honorable dignitaries, organizer and presenter colleagues. Myself Dr. Jignya Prajapati from Ganpati University, Gujarat. I feel privileged to be a part of such a wonderful event. The event like this cannot happen overnight. We all can understand this. The wheels for this event may be started many weeks ago, and the work will be continued for the whole team for upcoming many weeks also. So really it is a wonderful and very well organized event. So let me thank you, Dr. P. Kiran sir, organizing committee members, my conference session chairs, keynote speakers, and all technical sessions for sparing their wonderful knowledge. The idea behind this conference is really very fruitful for all because it is very latest trend in industry nowadays. So it is really fruitful 3 days for us, and to attain all presentation, the rest of all presentation, that is also a very good source of knowledge gaining. So I once again thank you, Dr. P. Kiran sir, and the rest of all organizing members. I think I must include Mr. Sudhir, Mr. GVSS Raju, Mr. K. Narayana, Mr. K. Rani Teja, Mr. T. Madhavi and Mr. Ramesh Babu and some other colleagues also, because they are all so gentle and humble. Suppose there is any, it's a time from submission to till date, they are all very humble and gentle to us. So once again, thank you so much. And I'm really thankful to the management and the trust, because I have gone through certain ideology behind this college, because one side we promote Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, and this is a live example of woman equality and woman empowerment. So I really please convey my deep gratitude towards the management also. So once again, thank you all for giving us this platform and appreciate us and promote us for doing more research in this area. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, madam.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Hello. Yeah, this is Dr. Brahmanand.
Sir, please go ahead, sir. Please.
Yeah. Thank you, Kiran Sri Garu. And it's really great to see that you have conducted such a wonderful international conference. Though you are look dynamic and so glamorous, you also added the same flavor to your international conference. And I'm very thankful for selecting my paper as one of the best papers, though which I didn't expect. Last month, when once I had a small meeting with Kiran Sri Garu, he introduced about RNN, that is a recurrent neural network. Then I got some interest, and immediately I searched for some data, and I could get the data from internet, used some of the tools. Finally, the paper was happened, and the man behind the entire thing is definitely Kiran Sri Garu, along with his entire team, including Sudhir and Madhavi Madam, Ramu, and other professors, also Dharmaya Garu and others. So it's not easy to conduct this type of international conference in a less time, that too releasing proceeding and going for a paper. A lot of work has to be done, but all your efforts, even though today is Sunday, and I can understand how much pain you bear while doing all these things. It's not a easy task. Anyhow, I congratulate the whole team. You definitely have set in a model for the rest of the people in our college, so that other people will follow our suit. It's a great achievement, definitely. It's a really great achievement. I look forward for other important conference in days to come. Congratulations, sir, once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So, I'm Ravi Kumar from Sri Vishnu Engineering for Women. So, good afternoon, all. So, first of all, regarding organizing the conference, the insights I got from deliverables of keynote speakers is far exceeded. Thank you for conducting such a talk, sir, Kiran Sri, sir. And this will be very helpful in my research work also regarding deep learning discussions and all these things. And I congratulate all organizing committees, as you all did a great job to conduct the conferences in smooth and systematic way. So in the pandemic period also even. So finally, I'm very fortunate that my paper has been selected as one of the best paper in the conference, as I didn't expect also. In this regard, actually, I would like to say thank to judges and as well as convener of ICR ADL conference, Dr. P. Kiran Sri, sir. And also my sincere gratitude to my supervisors, Dr. Sangram sir and Dr. M. Vamsi Krishna sir, for providing such a support to complete the paper. And also I am very thankful to Dr. A. Sri Krishna sir and also Dr. V. Pavan Kumar sir for giving their suggestions in the implementation. So finally, I am very thankful for giving me the opportunity to express the feedback about the conference. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, for adjourning these best papers, what is that we have a surprise today was the first 7 papers has received the equal marks. So the next 4 or 5 have the same marks. So that is the reason we just surprised to see the amount of competition that we have for this best paper. This is the first time we are facing. When we have done it in 2016 and 18, there is a difference between the first paper and second paper. For surprisingly, this particular conference, the first 7 papers have received the same number of marks from session chairs. That is the reason the best papers selection is only based on the recommendations of session judges and people who are involved in that sessions. Thank you, sir. Please.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, one and all. This is Dr. Pawan Kumar from Department of IT, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. So first of all, I would like to thank the organizing team and the convener of the conference, Dr. Kiran Sri Garu, and all the professors and all the dignitaries and all my faculty colleagues. Thank you very much for selecting my paper as one of the best paper. I have not expected that. And the 3 days I have attended the keynotes of different eminent persons, and I got the very good insight. And in a very short time, this conference, online conference, you have conducted in a very systematic manner. For that, I want to congratulate all the team members of this particular conference, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you all.
Madhavi madam, can we proceed further? Or
Sir, good evening all the dignitaries. Myself Sridevi. Let me thank all the management of Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram. And I am very grateful to all the organizers for making this international online conference on recent advances in deep learning very successful. And I'm very happy to say that my paper which we presented was one of the best paper in this conference. And I would like to thank my team members for their support and ideas to publish this paper. Thank you once again, sir.
A very good evening, sir. This is Vayasan Murthy from SRV Pakluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology. I'm very happy to see that international conference is being conducted in such a way that without any hiccups, any time lapses, it's been done very wonderfully well. The pain and turmoil that is been taken by your team and as well as the crew of the ship, we say the captain, he always has a smile on his face whenever he is saying. It was been wonderfully reflected, and I thank each and everyone for giving us a wonderful insights about the recent trend in the topic. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Madhavi madam, can we proceed?
Yes. Thank you all. Now I take the privilege to offer vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of our team, first of all, my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was today. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the team which stood off the screen, supported and made this event an immense success. I convey my heartfelt thanks to the Sri Vishnu Educational Society management, and I thank Sri K.V. Vishnuraju Garu, Chairman, Sri Vishnu Educational Society. I thank Sri Ravichandran Rajgopal Garu, Vice Chairman, Sri Vishnu Educational Society. I thank Sri K. Aditya Vissam Garu, Secretary, Sri Vishnu Educational Society. And I thank Dr. G. Srinivas Rao Garu, Principal, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. I thank Dr. P. Srinivas Raj Garu, Vice Principal. And I sincerely thank all the keynote speakers and session chairs of this conference. And I take this opportunity to thank all the reviewers and technical committee members for providing their valuable comments and help towards the improvement of quality of papers presented in the conference. And I thank convener of the program, Dr. P. Kiran Sri, Professor and Head, CSE Department, Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. Once again, I thank all the participants, and I thank all my team members and colleagues who have been the strength of the conference for their support to make this event a grand success. Thank you all. Dear participants and guests, if you please enable your camera for a few seconds, we'll have a quick photo session. Please, all of you, for a few seconds, enable your camera. Thank you. Thank you all. So let us mark this end of the valedictory.